Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best in beauty products. Today, we have something exciting to review: the Gellike EC Soft Gel Nail Tip and Glue Gel Kit, which is quickly becoming a favorite for those looking to achieve salon-quality nails at home. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced nail artist, this kit has everything you need to create beautiful and long-lasting nails. This kit comes with 240 resin material soft gel tips in both almond and coffin shapes, giving you plenty of options to customize your nail look. The tips are made from the latest soak-off PMMA resin material, which is ABS-free, meaning they're thin, lightweight, and comfortable to wear, while also being durable enough to last up to 3 to 4 weeks when applied properly. The medium length of the tips is perfect for those who don't want to file down too much, making the whole process quicker and easier. One of the standout features of this kit is its 6-in-1 gel glue. Not only does this high-quality resin glue help secure your tips to your natural nails, but it also doubles as a base gel, nail strengthener, slip solution, brush saver, and even blooming gel. This versatility helps save time and money on additional products. The glue dries in just 1 to 2 minutes under the UV light, and the kit includes a compact mini UV lamp, making the entire process incredibly convenient. You can take this mini lamp with you wherever you go and use it for on-the-go nail care. The kit also includes a French tip nail stamp, which allows you to easily create stylish French manicure looks without the hassle of freehand painting. Whether you're aiming for a classic French tip or experimenting with some unique designs, this nail stamp gives you the precision you need to get professional-looking nails at home. Safety is also a key aspect of this product, as the kit includes important instructions and a recommendation to do a skin test before use. This ensures that your nails stay healthy and safe while using the products. The Gellike EC Soft Gel Nail Tip and Glue Gel Kit offers great value for money. It's perfect for anyone looking to create beautiful, salon-style nails from the comfort of their home. If you're looking for a reliable, beginner-friendly kit that provides quality and ease of use, this is definitely worth considering. Be sure to like and subscribe to Product Critique for more reviews on top beauty products. Thanks for watching.